si Bea,
Oo.
taping. Paminsan-minsan lang.
So, siyempre, pag naman yung kanang kamay niya, ayaw niya mag-date.
Oo.
Kayo muna yun.
Yes, tama. Ito kayo kailangan. So, bibigyan namin kayo ng eksena.
Yeah.
Can you translate para we're sure na naiintindihan nila?
We'll give you a scene. Yeah, scene. Yeah, scene. S-I-N.
So, bibigyan namin kayo ng eksena. Yung eksena, kumbaga, ayaw mo na sa akin.
The scene. Wait! Ano mo sa director? Alright, the scene is you don't like him anymore. Okay? And then?
Kasi,
Because?
akala mo,
You thought about that. You thought?
kasi akala mo, may mahal na akong iba.
Because you thought?
Kaya mo yan, baka. Akala mo, may mahal na akong
You
iba.
thought, huwag na magkaroon natin do this! You know, I studied in, IS.
IS, sa international school.
No!
Saan yan?
Elementary school. Yeah. You don't like him anymore because you thought he's mingling and scabbering with other women.
Okay, so, ako, yun yung eksena. So,
So,
kayo,
that's the scene.
kailangan nyo mag-deliver,